In my last video, I played the best MSM scratch Fangames, and they were very good. So today, I'm gonna be making my own. So with no further ado, let's get started. I began by making a simple meow sound, used for the first monster, the one and only Scratch Cat itself. We already have a meow sound by default, but for the purpose of making this video interesting, I'm gonna make my own. Unfortunately, I have to mute my original voice because I don't share my voice online. The final result. Perfect. Now that I have put together the code to make it play, let's hear how our island sounds so far. As you can probably hear, it doesn't sound that great, and there's only one way to fix that, and that's adding more monsters. Time to play test. So what you have to do is just press this button here, and it summons our new monster. The concept doesn't sound very exciting now, but I promise it will get a lot more interesting. Now let's make the sound for our monster that's totally not just off-brand noggin. But wait, I would first like to mention that I have a Discord server that you guys can all join. There you can chat to me, meet other members of our amazing community, take parts in competitions, get shoutouts, get early previews for upcoming videos, and more. Link is here and in the description of this video. Until next time, advertising in Ethereal out. So what I'm gonna do, because I can't make a drum beat myself, is just take one from the built-in Scratch audio library. For some reason it wasn't working, so I changed some code, and soon enough everything was working fine. Moment of truth. It is finally working. I've added another monster, but our song still feels empty, so I added a few more monsters, and I will time-lapse that. First, I made this weird ball of slime that plays guitar, and for the sound I settled on a nice acoustic guitar sound. Somehow, whilst messing around with the sound speed I made, it really compressed, and I don't know how to change it back, so someone remind future me to not constantly start changing the speed of random sounds out of pure boredom. Playtesting time. So you have to find buttons around the place and use them to summon new monsters. Right now, I think the background is a little boring, so let's make a new one. I think what I was going for was a colossal or titan who resembled the Scratch Cat monster from earlier, but I guess I got carried away and made this demonic thing instead. Now for the final monster, I was kinda out of ideas, so I just made a guy. For the sound I just recorded myself screaming and edited it a ton until it sounded almost like a robot being sick. Now for the moment we've all waited for, the final game.